Hey, Visas, Daniel here. I'm getting cancelled. You know why? Because today we're fixing racism by making a racist game. Recently, I've been scrolling through internet. You know the drill. Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, MySpace, Club Penguin, fucking Goon Discord servers, whatever. I don't know what's wrong, but I just happen to find so much fucking racism everywhere. And I'm here to fix that, but... So I actually never made a 3D game, which might be a bit of a problem, but... I think it's a perfect time to change that. So how this will work is we have a crappy webcam setup and a bot that scans whatever the face appears on the screen. The bot uses some random Python library to tell the race of our player. Actually, the library is called Deepface and it works terrible! It is mostly light dependent. Do you even know what that means? It means my whole reputation is being relied on some faulty script. Nice! In real time, the bot constantly updates a file named race.txt, which we will use for our game. Yeah, it kinda works now, after but I'll show you later. So remember how I said that I found a lot of racism on the internet? Yup, that was a fucking lie. Let me just... okay. So I just made up an excuse to make a mean fucking game. Also, this video is getting cancelled fucking immediately. Anyway, to make a 3D game we need 3D models. And believe me when I say this, I am ass at 3D modeling. So, to make a decent thing, I gotta learn and learn and learn. Wait, it looks awesome, what the fuck? Meet Dan. He's a racist. Dan needs some animations, so I went on Mixamo and stole some.
Oh, which animation?
Nice.
Oh,
Maybe
perfect.
this one.
It's free.
Oh,
yeah.
This one. Download. Excellent. Let's see how they look. Not quite right. Let's try again. I can't get them fucking right, okay? Oh, it's working now. Okay, let's start a new Godot project. Sweet. Now let's hook up the race.txt file I talked about earlier. Nice. Wait, what? So I didn't expect for this approach to actually work, but here we are. Making a 3D game is complicated. Now Daniel, I hear you ask, but why? Haven't you made games before? I'm fucking getting into that. So you see, when it comes to 3D games, it's hard because I have another complete fucking dimension to handle, which means that every single math equation is getting exponentially stronger. Harder. Better, harder, stronger. Also, that's a fake plant. So look, if you were to make a 2D character, you'd set the velocity of the player depending on the two directions, left and right. To jump, you simply add an upward vector to the y-axis, add some gravity and you're pretty much done. Now with 3D, you have to handle the camera too. You know, if you move your mouse up, you look up. If you move down, you look down. If you move to the left, you guessed it, you look to the right. Oh my god. Based on that camera rotation, the player is getting moved, so you always go actually forward no matter where you look. I spent a bit more time than I'd like to admit, but this character controller is fucking sick. Let's add some weapons so the game actually has a purpose. I modeled some weapons for every race. Of course, these are just random items, but wait. As you may or may not seen already, I'm white. Which means I can be actually more mean to my race. What about everyone else? Yeah, they're all getting buffs and random stats and perks each time. Come on, let's see some white people stereotypes, shall we? Whites are stereotyped to be racist? No, they're not. You know what? I've got an idea. Okay, let me just... Yeah, nice. So now, if you're white, you get sunburned and fucking die. Unless you grab yourself some white demon cream, which stops the sun for 20 seconds. We have some weapons, so let's make use of them and let's do enemies. So I just made a reskin of Dan's model. Wait, was that a Twaiter user? Yeah, he's definitely cancelling me. Fuck him though. For now I made the enemies spawn in random positions each time a new wave starts, but we have a major fucking problem. The game can handle more than 100 enemies. This is bad. I wanted thousands of them. To have thousands of enemies, this is how the next month of my life looked like. How to optimize a million enemies. How to find love line. I built a dog body count. But we did it. 300 enemies. Yeah, I decided this project is too stupid to be spending time optimizing the game to handle even a single 1,000. I already shoved too much dumb optimization techniques into this disaster. Let's move on. Oh, didn't see you here. So, the implementation of our animation system was an incredibly hard task too. Let me explain. I'm used to 2D animations, just switch the animation and that's it. Well, it's not the case here. I had to build the pentagon from the ground up for it to be pathetic. It's dog shit and it's too long to explain. Basically, we didn't need the triangle of doom and despair. This is all we need. Such an easy task that took me 80 hours to figure out. Enemies multiply the more waves we survive. Classic game loop, but don't wait with killing the enemies. If you struggle to kill them quick enough, oh shit! Oh fuck! It's a disaster, they get a speed and damage buff. For some reason the enemies in a big swarm become God. What? I'm not fixing that, it's fun. Imagine all the enemies falling on you with all the fucking speed and damage buffs after you forgot about them 10 minutes ago. Well, if you look very closely at our map, it's a piece of shit. Like, what is that? It's just a platform. We need a proper map. I've never made a 3D map before, but it can be that hard, am I right? Hey, it's me, a week later. I take it back. I made the map and it is awesome, but I know you're tired of listening to the nerd shit, so fuck you! I'm gonna do it anyway. Look, we take a plane, subdivide it a bunch of times, shape some terrain, now we UV unwrap it and draw some nice textures. I'm bad at drawing, it looks ass. Place some trees and rocks, scatter them around. Export the model and import it to Godot, and there you go. It looks like shit! Go back to Blender, literally change all the colors cause you're colorblind. Fix some normal maps, export it and import once again. Yeah, that's better. You thought that's it? Hell nah, the grass is still a pain in the eyes. Go back to Blender, get your fucking knife tool and cut out every green part where your grass shaders should be placed. Spend 2 hours on doing so, import it back to Godot, spell some meshes and steal a perfectly working grass shader. Thanks, Dip. Let's look at our map again and oh, it looks great. Could take me like 12 hours less, but whatever. The fact that it's here is what's important. Well, would you look at that, our game is starting to look like a game. But we lack a certain something. It's the music that sets up the whole mood of the game, and I don't have enough of my musician skills to be in the charge of that. But I think I know someone who does. Yo, music like Megabang but racist. Yeah, it's for a game. What the fuck? Yeah, we don't need to worry about music. My boy Michael got us covered. Come on, show him some love. Go listen to it down in the description. The game is finished. There is only one more thing to do. Finally! Fucking finally! The world's one of the biggest problems is gonna get fixed. Years of technological evolution has led us all to this moment. Introducing... Dan the Racer. If you've thought about cars, you couldn't be more wrong. Now let's gather all of my friends of all the ethnicities. Wow, who would have thought? I don't have any. Now before all you fuckers go to the comment section to say, oh what a cheap Michael Reeves ripoff, I came up with this script way before watching his phrase detection video, so fuck you too. That'll be fucking fun, bro. I am so fucking excited to test it out. I mean, I've been doing this project for so goddamn long. I mean, bro. So apparently we're white. I mean, I'm white, which kind of makes sense to me, bro. Second of all, oh my god, what the fuck? We're dying. We need a sunscreen because we're too white. But what if we weren't? What if we weren't? Let's try Michael Reeves, shall we? Come on, give me that. Okay, bro, Asian is fucking healing. Honestly, my YouTube career is getting fucking ended with this video, but hey, the bot said he's Asian. Come on, oh my, wait. When I'm covering my face, I get fucking discovered as bit. Okay, let's try surviving as long as we can, bro. Let's try. Come on. Oh my god, I'm so low. Come on. Yeah. Bro, now. Fuck, Squeaks, help me. Why is he Middle Eastern? The script is fucking trash.
Oh my god, please help. Please help. Michael fucking Reeves, please help. Yeah, yup. There we go. Wait, let's try. Let's go. Let's go. I can fucking run like that. That's crazy. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, did you see it? Did you see it? That was a fucking clutch. That's play of the year. Oh my... The buff is not comfortable. Come on. Come on. We need to run. We need to run. Nice. Bro, that's... I love this game. Come on. Okay, that's enough. That's... Fuck. Fuck. A bit of healing. Nice. Oh my god, he's so fast. Oh my god. And we're dead, we're so fucking dead, please. Oh no! Hey, thanks for watching the video. I'm not racist. If I have to clear it out for you, then yeah, I'm not racist. It was just a fun little video idea I came up with. You know what they say, high risk, high reward. I got a Patreon down in the description. If you liked me enough, then you can subscribe. I've got some cool content there. I mean, there's no content. But if you subscribe, then you will probably force me to post something there. Maybe even the game itself. Maybe, I mean, if you want to play the game, then fucking subscribe to my Patreon and I will put up the files there. It's broken though, you have to figure it out, man. You're a smartass, I know you are. You can send the video to your friends, you can place them in front of the fucking TV and force them to watch the video, so I can get more watch time. Fucking watch time equals engagement, equals being more popular. That's it for me now. Fucking, this video is getting too long. Yeah, goodbye.